Subject math. Topic addition with carrying over. Now, here, children, you have to understand the concept of units, tens, and hundreds. You are already aware of these concepts, but we are just going through it once again. So you know that a single block represents 1, a rod represents 10, and a square represents 100. So what does this mean? Let's understand this better. So here we have 10 units, which is the same as 110. So what will 10 tens be? Correct. It is 100. Now suppose I ask you, what is 110 and 2 ones or 2 units? The answer is 12. 14 units is the same as 110 and 4 units. What about 29 units? It is the same as 2 tens and 9 units. 13 tens. How else can we write it? 13 tens is equal to 103 tens. 2 hundreds and 7 tens. What is that? It is the same as 27 tens. You can count and you can get your answer. So here in your math workbook, the question is, write the proper numbers in the empty boxes. So now that you have understood the concept of units, tens and hundreds, let us solve them. 15 tens. What does it mean? 105 tens. 17 tens is 107 tens. 18 tens means 108 tens. Now, let's look at the reverse. 104 tens. What is it equal to? Correct. 14 tens. 3 hundreds and 2 tens. Yes, 32 tens. 4 hundreds and 3 tens. 43 tens. And 5 hundreds and 9 tens. 59 tens. So here we have 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 5 units plus 3 hundreds, 9 tens and 7 units. Now this has been displayed with the help of symbols or pictures. So when we have 5 units plus 7 units, it is 12 units. So we write it here as 2 units and we carry over the 1 tens. So 4 tens plus 9 tens, the answer is 13 tens. Remember, we have carried over 1 10. Now from the 13 tens, we carry over 100 to the hundreds place. Okay, so we have 2 hundreds plus 3 hundreds, which is 5 hundreds plus the 100 that we have carried over. This is just for you to understand the concept of what we are learning and what is the meaning of carryover. So let's understand one more example 100 3 tens 5 units plus 4 hundreds 8 tens and 6 units. So 5 units plus 6 units is 11 units. You carry over 1 tens to the tens place. So you have 3 tens plus 8 tens, which is 11 tens, but you have one more 10 which you have carried over. So from here we carry over 1 to the hundreds place. So we have 100 plus 4 hundreds, which is 5 hundreds. But remember, you have carried over 100s to the hundreds place. Let us solve these sums together. 245 plus 397. Now remember, you have to start adding from the units place. So we have 5 plus 7. What is 5 plus 7? Correct. The answer is 12. But we carry over 1 to the tens place. So now we have 4 plus 9 plus the carryover. The answer is 14. So we carry over the 1 to the hundreds place. So we have 2 plus 3 plus the carryover 1. The answer is 6. So 245 plus 397. The answer is 642. Let us add 135 plus 486. 5 plus 6 is 11. 3 plus 8 plus the 1 carryover is 12. So we carry over 1 to the hundreds place. So we have 1 plus 4 plus the carryover. The answer is 6. Let us add 135 plus 476. What is 5 plus 6? The answer is 11, and we carry over the 1 to the tens place. 3 plus 7 is 10 plus the carryover 1 makes it 11. So we carry over the 100s to the hundreds place. So 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 1, which is the carryover. The answer is 6. So 135 plus 476 is 611. So let us add 247 plus 517. We begin, as you know, from the units place. We have 7 plus 7. The answer is 14. So we write 4 in the units place, and the 110 we carry it over to the tens place. Now here we added 4 plus 1, which is 5, to the carryover 1. So the answer is 6. In the hundreds place, we have added 2 plus 5, and the answer is 7. Let us now add 349 plus 219. What is 9 plus 9? We begin by adding from the units place. You are correct. The answer is 18. So we keep 8 in the units place and we carry over the 1/10 to the tens place. So we have 4 plus 1 plus the carryover 1. The answer is 6. What is 3 plus 2 in the hundreds place? The answer is 5. So your answer is 568. Let us now add 465 plus 335. 5 plus 5 is correct, 10. So we keep 0 in the units place and carry over the 110 to the tens place. 6 plus 3 in the tens place is 9 plus 1, the carryover is again 10. So we keep 0 in the tens place and we carry over the 100s to the hundreds place. So we have 4 plus 3, which is 7, plus the 100 which we have carried over. So your answer is 800. Let us now add 356 plus 65. We begin by adding in the units place. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1 is in the units place and we have carried over 1 to the tens place. 5 plus 6 is again 11 and you have to add it with the 1 that you have carried over. So your answer is 12. So you keep 2 in the tens place and carry over the 100s to the hundreds place. Now as you see 3, there is nothing to add it with. So we only have to add it with the hundreds place. So your answer is 4. So we have 421 as our answer. Let us now add 549 plus 19. So we have 9 plus 9. The answer is 18. So we write 8 in the units place and carry over the 1/10 to the tens place. 4 plus 1 plus the carryover. The answer is 6. Now there is nothing that can be added in the hundreds place because there is only one single digit. So 5 plus nothing is 5. So the answer is 568. Let us now add 432 plus 94 plus 5. So we begin by adding from the units place. 2 plus 4 plus 5. The answer is 11. 1 is in the units place and you have carried over 1 to the tens place. So we have 3 plus 9 plus 1, which is the carryover. The answer is 13. So 3 is in the tens place and we carry over the 100s to the hundreds place. So there's nothing to add here with 4 except the carryover. So 1 plus 4. You are correct. The answer is 5. So our answer is 531. Let us now add 395 plus 62 plus 94. So we begin by adding from the units place. 5 plus 2 plus 4. The answer is 11. So 1 is in the units place and you carry over 1 to the tens place. So we have 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1, the carryover. So can you do 9 plus 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 plus 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 plus 1, the carryover, which is 24. So in the hundreds place, we only have the carryover 2 plus 3, and the answer is 5. So our sum total is 541. Let us now add 172 plus 394 plus 238. So we have 2 plus 4 plus 8, and the answer is 14. So we have carried over 1 to the tens place. So we have 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1, the carryover. The answer is 20. So 0 remains in the tens place, and we take the 200s to the hundreds place, because 20 tens is what? 200s. So we have 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, which is the carryover. So the answer is 8. So our answer altogether is 804. Let us add 500 plus 280 plus 120. So if we add from the units place, we have 0 plus 0 plus 0, and the answer is correct, 0. Then we have 8 plus 2, the answer is correct, 10. Then we have the hundreds place, where we have carried over the 100s. We have 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus the carryover, and our answer is 9. So our total is 900.